Here's something really cool that we might be making for these bash bars right here for my Integra. This is a tow hook assembly that we came up with. I needed a tow hook setup for the front because I kind of removed the OEM one because we're using it for the splitter mount right there. So we came up with this design. It's basically just a collar with a tang up top welded together so it mounts on the bar. On the J front, there's a license plate hole right in the middle. And I was like, you know what, I'll just cut a little slot right there, pop this guy out, and then I made these little cover thingies and then notched it right here so it's nice and clean from the front. So look at it from the top. You could still attach something on there, pull the whole car if you need to. But yeah, I wanted it to be like this so it looks very symmetrical with the cars. Right in the middle, got the Honda logo that's red. So if you look at it from afar, it's actually not too bad. Now, I'm not gonna run that all the time, but since we're going to Grid Life Laguna Seca this weekend, I need to have a tow hook, at least one on the front, one on the back.